Are you tired of not being able to make your own dowels? I know I am. I'm Stoner Ericson from Ericson Design Company. Let's build something. Ta-da! I'm going to start by finding the center and then taking a nail set so that my drill bits don't wander. And I'll two-step this with 2 drill bits, and then I'll take a 1/2 inch drill bit and drill straight through using a little bit of WD-40 as a lubricant. Now I'm going to mark 4 positions about 1/8 of an inch away from the hole, and I'll do the same thing. I'll nail set it and pre-drill. So I'm going to two-step this with drill bits as well, that way the larger bit doesn't wander. Then I'm going to take a 3/8 inch drill bit and I'm going to drill through and overlap the 1/2 inch hole. This is what's actually going to make my cutting edges. This is a great project for a novice or a beginner woodworker as well, because A, you'll save a lot of money in buying dowels over time, and B, it's a fun, easy project to do in about 10 minutes. Now this is a 1/2 inch dowel, and I use a lot of 3/8 inch dowel. This is actually a dowel jig I'm making for my father, and he uses a lot of 1/2 inches dowels. Next I'm going to rough cut a piece of pine down to 9/16 squared. This is going to be larger than a 1/2 inch, and then I'm going to take a block plane and I'm going to chamfer all the edges to put a little less stress on the actual dowel jig. Then I'll pencil point both ends, one to chuck up in the drill and one to start into the dowel maker. Now I use some of these shavings, I throw them in a paper bag and I start campfires with them. It's really useful to have. Now this is a good time for you to subscribe to this channel. We put out new videos every Tuesday and it's a lot of fun to have this creative outlet. So if you like stuff like this, please hit that subscribe button. Now this is real time. This took like 9 seconds to get through here. Run it through the sandpaper off the drill, and there you go. We did it. What a cool project. Now, this will save you quite a bit of money in the long run. I use a 3/8 inch dowel for all my Craig jig holes, and I just make them out of scrap wood. It also cleans up the shop by making the scrap wood. You know, check out some of my other videos right here. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, and share. I'm Stoner Ericson from Ericson Design Company, and we built something. Ta-da!